Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video, we are going to see Ikkat contrast handloom soft silk sarees. All these are beautiful sarees. We have 13 different collections in this video, so please do watch this video fully. Before that, please do subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon to get regular notification whenever we upload fresh collections. Also, please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. So we are manufacturers of handloom soft silk sarees. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for bulk orders. Now let's see each sarees in detail. So all these sarees are double warp sarees. Ikkat sarees comes with a 4-play. So quality of the saree will be very good. This is the first saree, a beautiful yellow with navy blue combination. So all are different designs. As you can see, the pallu and blouse comes in a navy blue, and the side contrast on both sides is also a navy blue followed by a jari border, and all over the saree body you have a yellow color. In that you have a beautiful ikkat design. All these are warp dye design. The design makes while dyeing the saree. This is the back side of the saree. The design comes all over the saree. Till end of the saree you will be getting design with both sides contrast. This is the next color, beautiful green with blue combination. Pallu and blouse comes in a navy blue, and all over the saree you have a beautiful flower design ikkat. With both sides you will be getting a contrast and blue color. So if you want to book any of these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. I'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link and share those screenshots for booking. This is the back side of the saree. So each design is a unique pattern. So please don't skip the video. Please do watch the video fully. Next is a beautiful peach with bottle green combination. A very good combination this is. You will be getting a contrast blouse in the pallu color. This has a bottle green contrast blouse. In that also you have a jari border. So all these sarees comes with a Silkmark certified tag. We have a central government Silkmark certified for all our sarees. And next is a beautiful onion pink with a navy blue combination. So we are shipping all over India. We do have international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere, so please don't wait it. If you want to book any of the saree which you are watching in this video, do take screenshot and share it in the WhatsApp. This is the back side of the saree. A very different combination this is. And next is a lavender with a blue combination. So please do watch this video fully or for all the color combinations and designs. So all these sarees price ranges from 6,000 to 6,500. To know the exact price, you can WhatsApp us for booking. All are very good quality and it is at a wholesale price, so please don't miss this collections. These are very trendy collection now in soft silk sarees, a very fast moving collection in soft silk. Next is a very beautiful peach with blue combination. All these are dual shade. This peach is a kind of dual shade. You will be getting a dual shade. So please do watch this video fully for all those color combination and designs and text us on the WhatsApp for booking. Thank you.